Hello everyone, today let me share with you one incredible, healthy and quick dish, frittata. $150 of tomato, 150 grams of onion, 100 grams of spinach, 100 grams of bacon, 6 eggs. $120 grams of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Three tablespoons of oil. We stir-fry the bacon first. When the bacon becomes brown, we take it out. Then we stir-fry the vegetables. Onion first, tomato and spinach second. When the vegetables become soft, we put back the bacon. Now is the egg mixture. $150 grams of shredded cheese. Mix well and then cook inside the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.